In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute everyone on Google Meet. First things first, let's get started by navigating to the Google Meet website. Once there, you'll need to sign into your account. This is a simple step, but it's crucial for accessing all the features Google Meet has to offer, including hosting your meetings. Once you're signed in, you're going to want to start a new meeting. Look for the new meeting option on the screen and click on it. This is your first step towards managing your meeting environment. Next up, you'll see an option to start an instant meeting. Go ahead and click that. This action will immediately launch a new meeting, bringing you into the virtual meeting room where you'll be the host. As the host, you have several controls at your fingertips, which leads us to our next important step. Once your meeting is up and running, it's time to head over to the host control. The host control is essentially the command center for your meeting, allowing you to manage participants, the meeting settings, and more. Finding it should be quite straightforward. After you've clicked on Host Control, your next action will be to click on Host Management. This area gives you more refined control over what participants can and can't do within the meeting. It's a powerful feature that ensures your meetings run smoothly and without interruptions. Finally, the step you've been waiting for, muting everyone. Within Host Management, you will find the option to turn off participants' microphones. This is incredibly useful in situations where you need to address the meeting without any background noise or interruptions. With a single click, you can ensure that your voice is the only one heard, bringing order and focus to your virtual gathering. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully mute everyone in your Google Meet, creating a more controlled and professional virtual meeting environment. Remember, as the host, you have the responsibility to manage the meeting's flow and environment, ensuring that it's productive and respectful for all participants. Muting can be a powerful tool in your arsenal for achieving just that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Managing your Google Meet doesn't have to be complicated. And with these steps, you're well on your way to hosting more effective and efficient meetings.